Alright, let's get some F-18 action.
Take off flat.
That thing doesn't turn.
Well, because I'm holding this much from neutral that I
Didn't you just reset it? I thought you did. What the hell?
No, I should have. Dude, I had the element.
That's what
I was just tightening the wing screws.
Oh, okay. Alright,
I guess that's a little more important.
yeah, that is, because you can steer. Alright, I'll go behind you.
Yeah.
China cleared. Gear up. Flaps up.
Yeah, I gotta change my afterburner back. It was better the way before. I put that reflector in to direct it out instead of filling up the whole thing.
Better to judge it at night, isn't
Yeah, but you could see it during the day as the way it was before.
it? And you can't see it now.
Can't really see it now, yeah. That's cool. They're pretty evenly matched.
Time remaining.
Yours is
3
definitely
minutes.
faster. I noticed it on the climb, but definitely fucking close enough.
They're pretty close. It is faster, straight line.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I see you.
I do too. I'm not worried about it.
I know, that's a great thing, huh?
I know where you are.
You know both of us, we ain't gonna hit each other.
Yeah,
The only time it would is if we were trying to be inches from apart.
right. But I never really worry. Unless it's someone I don't know,
Yeah.
but I know you. I'll scoot in behind you. Because you were following me, so let me follow you now.
Good luck.
I heard that. I remember what that. I'm like, okay. I'm like, okay.
Time remaining. 3 minutes.
Let you take the lead.
Yeah, this in the F-18 scheme would be awesome.
Oh, the Blue Angel?
The Blue Angel and the F-18 scheme. Gotta stay away from your camp. There you go.
Yeah, that's my all-time favorite scheme, obviously. I grew up in San Francisco.
So you're used to seeing them.
Yeah.
Did they ever have Thunderbirds there or no?
They had them there once.
Really?
Blue Angels didn't come, apparently, my dad told me.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if... I was like a little kid, so I don't remember that.
Time remaining. 1 minute.
Oh shit. I didn't know where you were. That's the only reason why I said it. Otherwise, I don't care. You coming in?
You know what's gonna happen, man.
Oh, Harrier
Gotta
time.
put on a Harrier for the crowd. That's their favorite shit.
The low speed.
See Blue Angels.
All right. Well, if you're gonna be
30
low,
seconds.
Go under me. Hell
yeah. I'm like, let's see, what's he gonna do? Have enough room?
That's the cool shit. We gotta do the opposite direction too.
Yep.
And
Yep.
then you turn right, I turn, you know what I mean?
Yeah. oppose each other and then go a
Yeah.
different way.
4, 3,
Still got a little more time.
1. Time expired.
I'm gonna do a touch and go on this one.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Hey, my flaps ain't working.
Oh my god!
Flaps up.
Oh, I didn't want to make you go over your camera. You good?
Yep.
Okay.
I already went over like 2 or 3 times. I'm sure this one's kind of fucked up.
Uh-oh,
1
okay.
minute over.
Alright, I'm coming in for good on this one.
Yeah, I'm gonna land.
I already cut in front of you. You always do your long
I'll stay in
approach.
the inner port towards us. You got the outer.
Okay. I'll probably be able to turn in. There we go. I'll go all the way to the end, so come on in.
Flaps up.
The thing that I like to do the most is do the tandem landings
Yeah.
with that with the Hawk.
Oh, like right next to each other,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, that is such a great looking model, though.
It is. It's a good looking plane. It doesn't look right with the decals that come with it, but once you change it up a little bit, it looks good.
Yeah.